name's Dan, and I've been working on cars since I was 16 years old. On this channel, I do vehicle repairs and custom accessory installs. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Welcome to the channel.
You seem to know something I don't.
What's up, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be installing exterior door handle on this 2000 Honda CRV. You should be able to do this with just a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver. What you don't see is I'm missing a clip here, or maybe you do see it. What you'll notice is those holes here. You have two Phillips screws in there, a Phillips screw here. Another thing you might not see, pop this speaker grill off. And mine are actually missing, but you'll have three Phillips screws, one here, and one here. But mine are missing, so all I have to do is remove these three screws and I'm done. Two. Sometimes you get lucky and there's only two screws total holding back. Gonna slide this forward, plug the electrical connector, pop the little door handle right out. Remove that. Pull up. There's one more Phillips screw up here. He's actually there. Three screws. How you doing? Just unplug your speaker. Door panel's up. Hey Chloe, are you thirsty? Are you thirsty, Chloe? Inside the door panel you'll see there's a 10mm here and a 10mm right here. Yeah, there, see it. So you're just gonna remove both those 10s and then the door handle will pop out. I loaned my 10mm to my neighbor just now, so I may try to get a wrench in there. Yeah, wrench is working. Normally you would reach in through here with an extension and a socket, but I can't do that because I don't have mine. Determine and do it right up the wrench. Yep. Eventually. Alright, got my 10mm back. This should pop out. Slide it forward. Alright, so you see this clip right here, this guy, that's got to slide this way so you can release that rod out. Let's see if we can release. Pop them out like that. So I believe you're just gonna pry this out of here. Use a screwdriver. Oops. It's alright. Not using that no more. Jesus Christ. There we go. Now you're going to take this pin here and pull it out, and you should be able to take this whole thing off, and then we're going to reinstall it on the new door handle. can reinstall this back on the lawnmower where it belongs. Now we're just gonna reinstall the same order you took it out.